Hi, I'm David Penn, research analyst with Finovate. Thank you for joining us here at FinovateWest Digital for our 25 and 5 rapid fire interview series. Joining us today is Karen Moynihan of Boss Insights. Karen, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, David. It's great to be here.
Great, we're fabulous to have you here. Before we get started with our 25 and 5 questions, I thought maybe you could tell us just a little bit about yourself and Boss Insights for context.
Sure. Well, I'm Karen, former commercial banker, second-time founder, running Boss Insights along with an amazing team. What we're offering is business data as a service. If you think of us in one word, that word is easy. Should you want one single API for all of the business data that you will ever need, we offer that to you. It is accounting, commerce, and banking data just for a start. So QuickBooks, Salesforce, Stripe, and it's proven and trusted by financial institutions globally.
Fantastic, fantastic. And again, folks are going to get an opportunity to learn a lot more about Boss Insights here at the conference. They'll be able to check out your demo, visit your booth. We've got curated booths, so it'll make it a lot easier for folks to really get in and be able to ask questions and interact. So we're really looking very much forward to that. We're also looking forward to our 25 and 5. Are you ready to go?
Ask me the tough questions. Let's go.
Here we go. Starting from the top, challenger banking, yay, nay, or yawn?
I say yay to anything that will help businesses get funded, and challenger banks have been doing that.
Fantastic. What's your favorite season of the year?
Summer. It's got to be so hot that popsicles are dripping. There should be water flowing somewhere, and we need to be able to go swimming while we work.
I love it. Your favorite dessert or after dinner treat?
Okay, this is very specific. It's pineapple lumps. This is a treat coming from New Zealand. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. Just trust me. Somewhere a chef needs to do something with this and elevate it.
Oh, excellent. I love that one. What's the best advice on any topic that you've received this year?
Don't search for profits. Search for meaning.
That is a good one. Here's an interesting one. As a child, which got you more excited, the first day of school or the last day of school?
It's always the first. I can't, I'm gonna be a traditionalist here.
Yeah, you and me both.
Yeah.
Let's see. Which fintech company do you admire the most, other than your own?
Well, that, I, I'm gonna have to go with Stripe on this one.
That's it.
$820 million of loans closed in a few quarters, and 60% of that new business, which shows that they are delighting customers, which is what we should all be doing.
Yeah, fantastic. What's your idea of a great breakfast?
Eggs cooked just right, but there has to be cilantro. Don't want
Ah,
to be particular, but there's got to be cilantro.
yeah, cilantro is pretty good with just about everything, it seems to me. What do you like most about the work from home economy?
That it's more honest, that you see a true representation of people, and that life enters a little bit. I'm not going to say it's more convenient, but I'm going to say it's more authentic.
Oh, interesting. And on the other side, what do you like most about working in an office?
The natural collaborations and collisions that happened that sometimes we struggle with now.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Where did you take your most recent vacation?
What vacation?
Oh no.
Okay, recently I went to Prince Edward County, which there's sand dunes there. There are mountains of sand, and that was something to see. And if you have a chance, go.
Oh, excellent, excellent recommendation. Similar, what's your favorite destination for a business conference or business travel?
I have to go with San Fran on this, although London, UK is a close second.
I hear you. I hear you. Two good ones. What's the last song that you heard that you couldn't get out of your head?
David Bowie, We Can Be Heroes.
Oh, that's a good one. Here's one. You have a championship trophy tucked away that nobody knows about. What did you win the championship in?
Okay, I'm going to go just straight on this one. We were really proud when we won the Unicorn Challenge this year. That's what we're all trying to do.
Sure.
So it was, and I liked it specifically because it was the Women in Payments Unicorn Challenge, which shows that the industry is starting to hop on the data bandwagon.
Oh, very good. Very good. Let's see. Yard work, a terrible chore or a fun way to spend some time outside?
Depends. Are there any refreshments?
Let's see. Let's see. Do you have a favorite cartoon character or animated character?
I am Groot.
Oh, wow, there's a good one. Let's see. Would you rather go on a safari in Africa or whale watching off the coast of Mexico?
Oh gosh, that's a hard one. I mean, I gotta go with Africa because it's another world and I haven't been, and I'm itching to go.
Yeah, that sounds good. Who among your older relatives do you resemble most in appearance?
My mother. We
Uh,
have the same hands.
there you go. Are blockchain's best days yet to come?
Blockchain is amazing and fantastic. What it needs is the ultimate product market fit, and then I think it will really be something.
Yeah, we're all sort of waiting on that one. Let's talk
Yeah.
about Boss Insights. What's the most thing about your company's technology?
Oh, okay. I would say it's the ease.
Hmm,
We took an incredibly complex problem and we made it so easy to use that bankers don't even have to have coding resources available anymore. And that really sets us apart from everybody else who says, this is so easy, here's our API.
mhm.
When I was a lending officer, I'd never heard the term API. I just want to get my loans processed and I want to delight my customers because they're going elsewhere. So the thing that we have that others don't have is that we made something very complicated, incredibly simple and easy to use.
Yeah,
One
that's great.
minute.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Who are your company's primary customers then?
We're targeting banks and credit unions, and we're also targeting private lenders. So if you're servicing a business customer and you're feeling the headache and the pain of doing it manually, that's where we come in and we're that easy button.
Perfect. What would you say is the most important thing when it comes to building a strong team?
That they're not reporting to a person, but to a mandate.
Mm,
Everyone at Boss Insights reports to a mandate. So our VP of sales, their mandate is bring in sales. If they might report to me, but I'm not their boss. And if I get in the way of their boss, they have to let me hear it.
oh, very interesting. Very interesting. Where do you see the company in, say, 2 to 3 years?
I see us being the one-stop hub that will allow for a highway of information and for insights to be extracted from it. What we're going to see is that banks are going to specialize in the regulatory burden that fintechs don't necessarily want to lift up, but
Mhm.
we're going to be that data expert, and we don't just acquire and use our own information, but we'll allow for partners to hop on and get the benefits of that as well.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Got just a couple more. What are you looking forward to most once the COVID crisis has passed us?
Hugging, if I can be really honest about it,
Yeah,
hugging and actually just seeing people because there's some kind of magic when you see people in person.
yeah.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
that's a great one. That's a great answer. And then last but not least, what's your favorite thing about being part of Finovate this year?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Look, we're all sitting here. We're doing this over over video, but the banks are coming and the lenders are coming and they're all looking at the loss of market share and they're ready to play.
Hmm,
So to be part of it and be accepted to be demoing this year is a huge honor. And I just can't wait to see what happens
yeah,
in just a few days.
excellent, excellent. Well, thanks for playing along with our 25 and 5.
Thank you. So
Yeah.
great to chat with you, David.
Absolutely, and it's great. It's a great opportunity for folks to get to know our demoing companies and the people behind them just a little bit more. So we love having you participate in this, and also just want to remind everybody to make sure they stop by the Boss Insights booth, check out the demo. It'll be available all week for folks to get to know it, and definitely stop by the booth as well, just to get the chance to talk to you guys and see what you're up to, and maybe ask a few questions and exchange a little bit of contact info and network. So again, thank you very much for joining us. We look forward to seeing more from you.
Likewise. Thanks.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.